Poonam from Cyber Scam Review. In the last decade, the digital world has seen a tremendous amount of change. The benefits it brought for the world are many and clearly. It changed the way humans interact with one another. COVID pandemic only accelerated the trend, though there are many positive aspects. Sadly, there is no way to put an end to scammers, and this space right now is just like heaven for them. And today I am talking about a recovery agency that is Payback Ltd, which has been around for roughly 4 years at the time of publishing this post. They have helped numerous victims and the success rate is pretty high. One look at their platform will give you a clear idea about the expertise in this field and the kind of professionalism they have to offer. Data regarding their operations were not hard to find and the transparent nature tells a lot about them. Regardless of which way we looked at them, they were flawless. The online world is filled with wonders. From finding bargain deals to just about everything is easier to find. However, it doesn't mean that it is entirely safe. And if you have lost funds recently to any scams and looking to use this platform to retrieve the money, then stick with me to find answers to all your questions. This platform gives an in-depth and easy to understand definitions of things in the chargeback sector and also covers the history of scams pretty well. For obvious privacy reasons, the details about the employees or the creators are not published. However, they have talked a lot about their goals and sectors they are active in and their presentation clearly shows of their dedication. They specialize in recovering funds from trading scams and mainly they target the fraudulent forex and binary options platform. The team is said to consist of financial experts and lawyers who can assess, analyze and recover funds from most types of online frauds. Due to the complexity of recovery cases, the fees cannot be stated beforehand. Though variable pricing plans are pocket friendly, it would have been nice to see the cost involved outright. All in all, things do look bright for them and the ratings speak for themselves. Transparency is an important metric that can be used to gauge any firm or platform online. In some cases, the aspect mentioned above can be confusing. Nonetheless, it is still a strong indicator of legitimacy and it is the first thing we look for when we are assessing new firms online. Payback Ltd offers an exceptional support team. On their website, you can find their working hours and as list of people from all over the world. They have used a GMT format while expressing the working hours. Via mail, clients can reach the staff 24/7 and they have a toll-free number as well. Typically, people can expect a reply from them in less than an hour and in some cases, they might need more time to assess your claims. Compared to industry standards, the kind of attention to detail they have given to user experience is great and much appreciated. Their address is David Ben Gurion Road, 38, Ramat Gan, Israel 52573. The phone numbers are, the toll-free number is 1-845-789-8055. Australia 61-863-654-977. UK 44188093-0001. US 1-845-789-8055. Israel 03-309-4596. Iraq 353-143-78377. Their working hours Monday to Friday 9 to 18 GMT, Sunday 8 to 14 GMT format. Now how does Payback Ltd helps the victims? This firm, just like all other recovery agencies, helps people in collecting evidence and presenting the case in a legal format. Not all the fraud cases are the same and as a result, victims will not be able to defend their stance. It is true that in most cases, including the use of a credit card, a simple chargeback process is sufficient. However, if you have waited too long, then chargebacks won't come to your rescue. Moreover, for other forms of payments, the recovery process is way too complicated for average citizens. Payback Ltd offers free consultation wherein they gather details about the incident. Once they have all the necessary data, they are going to finish the paperwork involved and gather as much proof as possible. Lastly, they will get back in touch with the client and let them know the options available at their disposal. If the client successfully recovers the funds, then they have to pay a fee of around 7 to 9%, and sometimes it might go higher, and it mainly depends upon the nature of the case. Moving on the other informative content they had on their homepage, they seem to have a clear understanding about the things the public is being misinformed about. So to keep everyone up to date with the trends, they have shared the common traits of various online scams. Considering every piece of content we came across, it is indeed valuable and easy to comprehend. The specialty and achievements. Every recovery agency is focused on certain niches in order to cater to the needs of the people. This one specializes mainly in recovering funds from forex and binary option scams. But they are also active in the other common scams in the make money online sector, such as the lottery scam, advanced fees, guaranteed credit or loan acceptance, etc. We will go over the main strengths, that is online fake shopping websites. Data clearly shows that people are now shopping online more than ever before. While there are thousands of legitimate websites dominating their respective categories, there are tons of scams active in the same sector as well. New users are easy prey to crooks, and by offering bargain prices they attract them. However, they never deliver the product, and to get a refund from them will be nothing short of a miracle. Few scams pop up out of nowhere, run aggressive marketing campaigns to suck in the clients, and will flee the scene about leaving a clue. This firm will go after fake shopping websites that display the traits mentioned and make them pay up for their actions. Second is refunds. Nowadays, websites that offer 30-day refunds are many, but not all of them hold the end of the bargain. Few shady websites create policies in such a way that it makes it almost impossible for the clients to apply for a refund. If you ever find yourself in a spot wherein you are intentionally kept from making a refund request, then you can hire the recovery agency to do your bidding. The underlying process will be the same, and the legal team will take care of the rest. Trading scams. The world of online investing is huge, and it is always filled with newbies that are present to try their luck. Forex is highly unregulated, and it is a perfect breeding ground for the scammers to make a fortune. Brokers usually set up their firms in undisclosed locations and offer attractive incentives and bonuses to attract the retail investors. Once they have complete access to the funds in the name of account management, they will wipe it all off. In other words, in one way or another, they will transfer money from the user's pocket to their bank accounts. Moving on to binary options, this type of trading is illegal in most countries, and the number of frauds committed using this type of derivative is countless. Binary options are highly speculative instruments, and it can be manipulated to a large extent. Many fraud entities offer this type of trading and mess around with the data feed to maintain their competitive edge. Obviously, their practices are illegal, and that is the reason behind the hatred it goes from almost all of the regulatory bodies. The other frauds. Internet is a boon for the crooks as it allows them to commit crimes anonymously. The range of scams in this space cannot be fit into lists because they are evolving rapidly. Romance scams, phishing attempts, and list just goes on. From time to time, new types of hustles will also come into play. Regardless of the kind of schemes that you have lost money to, always be swift when it comes to taking action, as it will enhance the odds of recovering the funds. Remember, there will always be a solution, and it is also thanks to the latest forensic tools made available by the leading reputable recovery agencies. Even cryptocurrencies are traceable nowadays, and looking at the data so far, the number of successful recoveries indeed looks reassuring. How chargebacks work. Chargebacks have existed for a long period of time. The government knows the ways many crooks used to loot the public. Though they cannot possibly intervene on every matter, they have certain laws in place to curb their activities. Sadly, a lot of retail participants just are not aware of the options available to them. Generally speaking, a credit card is the safest form of payment to use online. In most cases, a generous period of 120 days is provided to apply for a dispute or chargeback. The unique thing about chargeback is that it does not go after the culprit. Instead, it directly asks for the banks to make the refund. Of course, there are certain key things required for you to pull the trigger. However, know that recovery agencies will collect the data for you and take care of the proceedings as well. At the end of the day, consumer protection is the reason behind the existence of retrieval methods, and it is certainly a well appreciated feature. Whenever a firm genuinely helps people, there won't be any shortage of social proof. After all, won't people love to flaunt everything online nowadays? On their platform, there are comments from early clients and video testimonials as well. The feedbacks looks natural. On many third-party forums, the consensus is in their favor, and that is a big positive sign. Even on Trustpilot, the rating is 4.7, which is phenomenal to say the least. There is a fair amount of criticism against them, but at the end of the day, that is the case with every big firm, and it is a not huge deal at all. Got scammed? If you have lost money to any kind of investment, hustle or fake online schemes, then Payback Ltd is a firm you need to get all of your needs and in touch with them. They will cater all of your needs and help you with everything associated with the recovery process. The team is truly exceptional and customer support is also friendly. Response time is quick, and once the details are submitted to them, you do not have to worry about anything. From charting out the path to handling the formalities, everything is taken care by them. Is Payback Ltd legitimate? Yes, it certainly is legitimate. Payback Ltd is a reputable agency that is helping thousands of victims on a monthly basis. They are true experts that are familiar with the ins and outs of the sectors they are dealing with. The amount of money they have recovered monthly is published on the website, and considering their website popularity, the numbers shown are not exaggerated as well. In short, they are trustworthy, and if you stick with them, the chances are you will recover your funds successfully. Payback Ltd is a firm that has a lot to offer to the public, from featuring general information to showcasing testimonials and social proof. Just about everything about them is flawless. They are the only ones who actually deserve a 5-star recommendation from us. Moreover, the fees they charge are reasonable, and keeping in mind all of their characteristics, they are one of the solid recovery agencies out there. Do you trust Payback Ltd service? Let us know your answer in the comment section on our official website. Thank you.